I'm the JakeOfALL, and I want to show you a cool product, or maybe two, or maybe three.
Not one or two or three, but four!
So, do you have a rafter hook on your tool? Well, if you've seen the Cooper Custom rafter hook mount for the Milwaukee PACKOUT rail, boom. Also, if you've got a nice toasty beverage, you get a cup holder, but there's something better. There is the rafter hook cup holder combo. And I'm gonna show you, and probably one of my quickest quick tips, on how to put it on this PACKOUT. So let's do this. After we do the top screw, we gotta drop this down and slide the bracket in behind. We're gonna slide it back up. All right, we'll tighten that back down. Now we get the rafter hook. And our hardware. We're just gonna hand tighten it for now. Get it where you like it. Cinch these down. Now, time for the cup holder. All right, it's installed. Cup holder, rafter hook, all in one. How can you beat that? So this has probably been the quickest tip I've ever done, and this is probably gonna be the least you're ever gonna hear me talk. So thanks for watching. I'm the JakeOfALL. This is from Cooper Custom. It's time to pack out. I'm kidding, I'm gonna keep talking. Gotcha! So click here and subscribe and hit the little notification because it's hard to keep my new even skinnier wife in clothes and boots and all that other good stuff, and I need the money. So help me out. I'm serious. Help me. Help me.